Hello and welcome to Boot Düsseldorf 2024. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm going to take you on a detailed walkthrough tour of the all-new Targa 41. I'm very excited about this boat, pumped to show you guys, so let's go take a look. Starting up on the foredeck of the 41, the first thing that we notice are these big, tall handrails and this side deck that hits me right at my knee. So I've got a really great feeling of security up here as I'm coming forward to access my anchor chain and anchor locker. So just that's the first thing that we notice, and that's definitely important to note. And up at the bow, we've got our beautiful stainless steel anchor roller and Lumar windlass, big substantial cleats and fair leads, our anchor locker right here with our anchor chain and rode. And just aft here, we've got these big, beautiful sun pads. It's a great place to lay out up here on the bow. We also have our the tops of our two hatches down to the forward stateroom. So we'll notice that from down below with letting a lot of extra light and fresh air down there. So moving back towards the aft cockpit, walking down these really generous side walkarounds, and that's another key feature of all the Targas, but again on the Targa 41, this nice wide walkaround. I don't need to shimmy down the side of the boat, easy access to my side cleats. As I come down these side decks, I'm also noticing these frameless side windows. This is a very modern, nice touch here on the 41. And coming onto this aft cockpit, this is very impressive. We've got a really generous space here with the big L settee, oversized L settee to port. I'm really happy with the social spaces back here, which are highlighted by these tables. We've got two very specific table sizes and different places we can locate these. So we're set up here with two separate social spaces. This table can move right here and we can have one big, huge dining table to sit 6 or 8 people on. Really awesome space with the aft facing bench, and then just enjoying this social area with the alfresco dining back here. And not to mention, we've got these molded seats with the seat backs for some added comfortability and tons of storage options. And then a very new feature for Targa here, which is very, very functional, are these side access doors. So very easy to pop this over and open these here, in and out of the boat with groceries, full hands, really nice and easy, and not have to go all the way back to the swim platform. Great for floating docks and easy access in and out of the cockpit. Just outside our aft access door to the pilot house here, I've got my steering station, which is a great spot for it. So as I'm backing into a slip, I can be facing aft, docking the boat right here. And same with this position here. I can use my joystick while I'm accessing. I can have this side access door open, grab my throttle, and be right here and ready to step off, hand a line to the dock hand. It's so simple. And back here on this humongous swim platform, we've got great fender storage, which I love this location for this, and you see that on most of the Targas. We've got a stern anchor, which is very popular here in Europe. Great way to pull up to a beach, and just a really nice space here, entering in and out of the cockpit. And a lot of people ask about this hatch in the swim platform here. This is so we can access the propellers from our stern drive, so we can trim those up. Say up in Maine, you catch a lobster pot on your propeller, you can clear that quite easily without putting your wetsuit on and diving into the water. And now let's head up to the Flybridge. And up here on the Flybridge, we've got another really cool entertaining space, as well as our Flybridge steering station, of course. So coming in here, I've got a really comfortable seat, access to all my Helm electronics, throttles, joystick, all that good stuff. Cup holders, we've got everything we need up here. It's a really nice, entertaining area with the big U-shaped settee and a table with the integrated cup holders. And this seating here is set up in social mode, and moving this reversing pilot seat to the forward location, we've got our co-pilot seat. Nice handhold here, which also gives us access to a storage area. And let's go take a look inside. And coming in here to the Salon pilot house, the first thing worth mentioning is the warmth of this area. So we've got the beautiful teak wood throughout, accented by some nice lighter colors, which brightens the area up a little bit, as well as these frameless windows really bringing a lot of light into this pilot house while still being sleek and modern. We've got a big U-shaped settee here to port. This center dining table drops down to form a berth up here if you wish. We've got a flat screen TV on a lift that comes up. Really impressed with the galley here on the 41. We've got all electric appliances. We've got a 2-burner Electrolux stove with the vent fan up above. We've got isotherm refrigerator below, the oven, and a dishwasher, which is awesome, and our stainless steel basin sink here. And our stainless steel sink has this great feature actually. So I've got the filler piece here, and they've got a beautiful storage for my cutting board, which I can use right here, and also fits into the sink just nicely there. I can take my filler, Corian filler, and stow it there. Use this as a cutting board. Really nice. Storage all below with drawer storage and cupboard over here. And almost forgot to mention our beautiful hanging locker right inside the access door. Moving forward to the helm area, we've got a great setup here with a really ergonomic helm. We've got Raymarine electronics on this boat. And best part about the Targa is our side access doors with the walkarounds. I already mentioned how much I love those nice, easy walkarounds. And part of it is because I access it right here from the helm. I've got a matching door over on the co-pilot side, but this is a big, huge, and I open this up and look at how humongous this is. I've got great access in and out of the pilot house, a nice stainless steel threshold here. Really easy access here with my hand over the side. I can access this joystick, throttles, everything's right here, whatever I need. I've got another steering station back aft. It's just a great, easy setup here. And just like all the Targas, I can do the full setup with the helm where I'm in, offshore driving mode. I pop my footrest up. I'm gonna pull this back. Move my seat forward. And I'm in full offshore driving mode. Don't have to reach to touch anything. My autopilot's right here. Thruster, throttles, everything that I need. Windshield wipers is right here, easy to manage. And of course, opposite my helm, I've got the co-pilot seat here. So this is a nice big bench. You can seat definitely 2 adults, maybe 3 smaller adults. So this is a very nice situation here. We've got plenty of storage throughout this Salon pilot house area, from on the dash to below seat storage. We've got drawers and cupboards sort of all over the place. And let's go take a look at the forward stateroom. And entering the primary stateroom, these stairs are, I know it's funny to talk about, but it is a boat, so we can't always have everything perfect, but these stairs are like we have in our house at home. They're nicely sized and easy to get down. Great storage down here. We've got a hanging locker here, really generous queen size berth, and access to our head, which is full stall shower. We've got a sink, vanity, really nice picture frame mirror. Really impressed with this area, and something that you can have too much wood on a boat, and Targa's done a really nice job of keeping this area light and bright and modern while still being warm and cozy with the beautiful teak wood. Another part of that bright and light and airy is these 2 opening hatches up above. So we've got really nice natural light coming into our forward stateroom and a nice breeze when we're at anchor. We can open those hatches and get a nice breeze down here while sleeping down below. And we'll head back to the aft stateroom. Coming down below aft, we've got another great stairwell here. Really easy steps to get up and down, so no sort of ladder sensation whatsoever. And back here we've got 2 awesome berths. We've got at least a full size, it might be a little bit bigger, more like a queen, to port, and then to starboard, an oversized twin berth. Definitely could sleep 2 kids in that. Great storage options down here. And we also have our own head. So we've got 2 staterooms, 2 heads, and can sleep 5 quite easily, and if you convert the pilot house berth, you're sleeping 7. So we've got quite a wonderful setup here for true family cruising on a 40-foot boat. And let's go take a look at the mechanical space. And one thing I love about these hatches is that I can open them without removing any of the tables or the furniture. Down here in the mechanical space, we've got a ton of room. It's very impressive. So these Volvo Penta D6 440s attached to the DPI stern drives. And I'm here in this great storage space where we've got the diamond plated stainless steel for storage, and so I can walk freely here without stepping on stringers and in the bilge. So engines obviously aft, we've got batteries, and of course the ever beautiful wiring from Targa. Do all of their wiring harnesses in-house, labeled all over the boat. We've got our fuel rate cores, the Fisher Panda generator, and then off on the starboard side here, I've got some other systems, my water heater, bunch of systems mounted up here, water pumps and filters, my master volt transformer, my master volt chargers. Really great setup down here, easy to get around. If something breaks, I can access it, fix it, and be back out on the water. Thank you for watching this walkthrough tour of the all-new Targa 41. If you have any questions about the Targa 41 or any of the other Targa models, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is right below the video.